Hello, Falcons. Happy Friday. Happy last Friday of our first semester. I cannot believe that we are already here. And of course, this is Ms. Tretta, your principal, wishing you a very happy holiday season and thanking you for joining us for our Friday afternoon assembly. Hola a todos. Ya es el último viernes del primer semestre y vamos a empezar con nuestra presentación. As always, we want to remind you, Falcons, that we are Falcons and that Falcons soar high. This means that we show respect, own our actions, act safely, and we always rise to the challenge. Somos falcones y los falcones muestran respeto, son dueños de sus acciones, actuarán de forma segura y están a la altura del desafío. If you celebrated a birthday this week, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. And if you celebrate a birthday in these days that we will be on vacation, we hope that you have a very, very happy birthday. Feliz cumpleaños a todos que celebraron esta semana o que van a celebrar durante este tiempo que tenemos de descanso. As always, we want to start by thanking our families for everything that you continue to do, the way that you continue to support us, our school, your flexibility, your dedication. We are definitely stronger together, and we thank you so much, families and community, for your support. Como siempre, queremos empezar los anuncios dando gracias a todas las familias por su actitud positiva, su flexibilidad, su apoyo, su dedicación. Nosotros sabemos que somos más fuertes juntos. Please, families, there is a lot of information that has been going out via Facebook, Twitter, on the McAllen website, on the Fields website, as well as on Class Dojo and through email. So please make sure that you're continuing to stay informed. You can do that by following us on Twitter and Facebook, by downloading the McAllen ISD app onto your phone, and by continuing to check the McAllen ISD and Fields Elementary websites periodically. Also, please make sure that you are staying up to date with the school stories on Class Dojo. Por favor, que se queden informados. Es muy importante que están informados y que saben toda la información cuando viene del distrito o de nosotros. Por favor, que síguenos en Twitter y en Facebook. Por favor, den la aplicación de McAllen ISD en sus teléfonos. Y también pueden consultar a los sitios web de McAllen ISD y de Fields. También que están del pendiente a fijar en Class Dojo para más anuncios.
Hi families, this is Ms. Tretta, your principal. Yesterday, an email was sent out as well as a Facebook post from Dr. Gonzalez, our superintendent, letting families know that upon return from winter break, out of an abundance of caution, our district has decided to return to 100% remote instruction. What this means is that from January 6th to January 22nd, all students will again be learning from home in order to keep our students, staff, and community as safe as possible. On January 25th, students who have elected face-to-face or combination instruction may return to our campus building. Again, this is out of an abundance of caution and ensuring that all students, staff, and our community stay as safe as possible. We will continue to have distribution on January 5th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. so that you can pick up your instructional packets and gather the material that's necessary for learning. On January 6th, don't forget to log into your Google Classrooms to meet with your teachers. Thank you so much for your support, your flexibility. We could not do any of this without you, and we appreciate you so much. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call us at the school at 971-4344. You can also find me on Class Dojo if you have any specific questions for me. Please take care of yourselves, your families, stay safe. We love you all very much. Hola familias. Ayer nuestro superintendente, Dr. González, envió un mensaje de correo electrónico, también sobre Facebook, que de precaución el distrito va a continuar con 100% instrucción remoto después del descanso de invierno. Que indica es que el día 6 de enero hasta el día 22, Los niños van a estar en casa aprendiendo remoto con sus maestras. El 25 de enero, si escogieron instrucción cara a cara o combinación, pueden regresar a nuestra escuela. Todo esto es para la seguridad de nuestros niños, maestros y la comunidad. Apreciamos mucho su apoyo y su flexibilidad. Nosotros sabemos que juntos somos más fuertes. El día 5 de enero, de 10 a 5, pueden venir a recoger sus paquetes para la instrucción para tener en casa. Si tienen preguntas, pueden hablar a la escuela o pueden mandarme mensaje aquí en Class Dojo. Otra vez, muchísimas gracias por todo su apoyo. Por favor, cuídense y te queremos. Gracias.
Again, friendly reminder, don't forget to log into Google Classroom on January 6th, 2021 for your classes. No se olvide iniciar sesión en Google Classroom el día 6 de enero de 2021 para las clases. Also, if you would like to order your yearbooks, now is the time to do so at pictavo.com. Si quiere comprar el anuario, necesitas hacer eso en el sitio web de Pictavo.
Merry Christmas, Falcons. Miss Guerrero here. This holiday season, I want you to practice positive self-talk. This means each day I want you to tell yourself 3 kind things. When we speak kindly to ourselves, we feel better and we feel happy and grateful for who we are, and we love ourselves even more. So this holiday season, I would like for you to practice positive self-talk. Boys and girls, I love each and every one of you very much, and I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye, Falcons.
Hello, Dreambox Nation. I'm here to announce this week's winners of Dreambox. Buenas tardes, agentes de Dreambox Nation. Aquí estamos para anunciar los ganadores. En Pre-K tenemos a Alex Barbosa. En Kinder, Angel Canales. En First Grade, Eric Diaz. En Second Grade, J. Ru Gordo. En Third Grade, Dominic Murillo. En 4th grade, Nala Martínez. Y en 5th grade, Atlantis James. Muchas gracias por participar con todas las lecciones de Dreambox. Thank you for participating for all the Dreambox lessons. Thank you, boys and girls, and continue doing 5 a week. 5 a week. Bye.
Thank you, Ms. Campos, and congratulations, boys and girls.
Hello, Falcons, and happy Friday. This is Miss Santoyo, and I am here to announce our top Smartym students. Feliz viernes a todos. Soy Miss Santoyo y estoy aquí para anunciar a todos nuestros alumnos que sobresalieron en Smarty Ants esta semana. In Pre-K and Pre-Kinder, we have Danielle Del Bosque. In Kinder, we have Angel Canales. In first grade, we have Aileen Esqueda. In second grade, we have Carlos Hernandez. In third grade, we have Aria Enriquez. In fourth grade, we have Merely Palacios. In fifth grade, we have Uriel Pais and Atlantis James. And our top Smarty Ants class for this week is Miss Valdez, first grade class. Nuestra clase que sobresalió esta semana en Smarty Ants es la clase de Miss Valdez en primer grado. Remember, boys and girls, that you can continue using Smarty Ants during your Christmas break and how important this program is. Recuerden todos que este programa de Smartym lo pueden usar durante sus vacaciones de invierno y lo importante que es y cómo les va a ayudar a ser un mejor lector. I will see you guys next year.
Thank you, Ms. Santoyo.
Hey Fields Falcon, this is Ms. Ramirez Vici 3000 Most Improved Lexile Levels. This award is going out to the students who have improved and measured the highest Lexile points in the fall semester. Este premio es para los estudiantes que han mejorado y medido los puntos lexiles más altos en el semestre de otoño. Congratulations to Carl Cantu in 3rd grade, Maddox Mortu in 4th grade, and Atlantis James in 5th grade. Felicidades a Carlos Cantu en 3º, Maddox Mortu en 4 y Atlantis James in 5º. I'm very proud of you boys, and I appreciate your efforts. I am very proud of all our Falcons who have been reading, especially our 3rd through 5th graders. So again, continue to read, because the more you read, the more you know. Happy holidays from Ms. Ramirez, and please stay safe. We will see you soon.
Thank you, Ms. Ramirez.
Hello, everyone. This is Miss Lopez, your librarian, ready to announce my Rockin AR Readers for this week. Congrats, Maybell Avila in 1st grade, Cami Gaona in 2nd, Angelique Campos in 3rd, Ariani Castillo in 4th, who reached 110 points. Congrats. And now joining her, Atlantis James in 5th, who's reached 100 points. Congrats and keep on reading.
Thank you, Ms. Lopez. And wow, boys and girls, I want to see more students at those 100 points. Congratulations, Ariani and Atlantis. Great accomplishment. We're so proud of you. Now for our Falcons of the Week, los estudiantes de la semana. In pre-K, Melina Torres, Davi Smith, Lennon Vindel, and Adan Garza. In kinder, Regina Pulido, Ángel Canales, Jacob Navarro, Samuel Mila, and Olivia Alonso. In 1st grade, Mark Alonso, Luis Perez Segura, Kendra De Leon, and Jaden Yanes. In 2nd grade, Nathan Gonzalez, Amy Dimas, and Camila Schiffer. In 3rd grade, James Rodriguez, Hope Rodriguez, and Leilani Chavez. In 4th grade, Guadalupe Rosales, Lucero Ramirez, Zoe Pulido, and Jose Parga. In 5th grade, Melanie Navarrete, Liliana Peña, Frankie Hernandez, and Jacob Gonzalez. In our specials courses, Asael Perez in 1st grade for PE. In library, Atlantis James in 5th grade with that 100 AR point achievement. And in music, in 2nd grade, Carlos Hernandez. Our December Falcons of the Month are, in pre-K, David Quiroz, Jaime Esqueda, Jose Luis de Hoyos, and Marilyn Vasquez. In kindergarten, our students of the month are Ana Garza, Giuliani Hernandez, Abby Castillo, Jimena Sanchez, and Raul Segovia. Our 1st grade students of the month are Athena Gonzalez, Kenneth Jenkins, Elizabeth Garcia, and Mabel Avila. Our 2nd grade students of the month are Jaden Garza, Carly Cantu, and Andrew Ruiz. Our 3rd grade students of the month are Marco Bonilla, Dayanara Vasquez, and Brian Hernandez. Our 4th grade students of the month are Jaciel Troncoso, Alexander de Hoyos, Christoph Cerrato, and Jose Palomino. Our 5th grade students of the month are Maybelline Torres, Caleb Alejandro, Madison Alcantar, and Uriel Baez. Our special students of the month are, in library, Ariani Castillo, in music, Violeta Hinojosa, and in PE, Jenny Gonzalez. As always, we want to remind you to always continue to work hard and be kind. Please take care of yourselves. Stay safe. We love you all very much. Te amamos y que se cuiden.